Hello, welcome to Module 8, PA 460, Fall 2023. You've made it this far. Congratulations. This is your exam week, similar to the first exam, and I will go over that in just a second here. So, as you will see, we have the Exam 2 study guide for you to review, and I would suggest having it handy during the exam. Discussion 8, group project summary, and I'll explain more about that later. And then the exam, and that's it for this week, and you are done with the course. Okay, so here's the study guide. And it's just a summary of the chapters and what we've discussed. What was that? And then we have the group project summary here, discussion. And this is where it's an individual assignment. It's not a group assignment. So each one of you has to write your own discussion post. And this kind of tells me who worked on what, or, if everyone in the group understood the project or not. Just 12 to 15 sentences max. And you're going to summarize the policy summary and performance management worksheet from your group. And you're going to have that in by Thursday, which is before the exam starts. And basically what I want you to see is you briefly, describing the societal issue, the policy alternative components chosen. So remember, instruments of public policy, and what are the outputs, the policy alternative components, and how very generally how efficiency and effectiveness will be measured for one of the components. You don't have to do all of it. So one of the outputs, how is it measured? The second step is just like with the other discussions. After you post, you'll see the others and reply to another student's posting who is not in your group. That's the important part. And then in 6 to 8 sentences, compare and contrast their work with your own group project. And everything is up to 3 points. And exam 2, we have the equivalent of around 50 questions, but it's 0.3 points for each question, multiple choice, true, false, or matching questions. However, like before, the matching items are worth 0.3 points individually. And you have 2 short essay questions, just like last time, and they're worth 2.5 points each. Remember, with those short essay questions, answer all the elements for maximum points, because I will grade harder like I did last time with short essay question answers. You have 2 hours and you can't cheat, and don't just plug in ChatGPT. Make sure you're addressing, again, all the question elements for each one. And that is it. And then you are done with this class. Hooray. So thank you all so much for your patience and for signing up. And if you have any questions prior to these due dates, please feel free to send me an email and I will try to get back to you. Take care and the best of luck in your other classes and your future careers.